Labs, finally narating din namin itong Bohol, and today is our first day of tour, and ang first stop namin is sa Blood Compact. And after this guys, dadaanan namin yung iba't ibang location pa ng tourist spot dito sa Bohol. And first is Blood Compact, and the next is Baclayon Church, and very historic na mga places na ito guys. So ayan, tingnan nyo. So dinito na nga guys, tumaan kami dito sa isang bridge, and nakalimutan ko ang pangalan nito, binagit sa amin ito ni Kuya, yung aming driver, papunta doon sa isang park. So ayan, and maganda dito especially pag afternoon. And this is a aquatic park which you can find the python snake, and this python have two colors, yellow and brown, and they are very slow movers, so hindi po kayo matatakot. And as you can see closer to the skin of this python is like very old. See guys, they are very good. Behave lang tong mga ahas na ito ngayon. Ayan, and I think poop yun. So ayan, happy yung mga kids. And dumiretso kami dito sa crocodile. And the first time nakita ng mga bata yung buhaya. And also we're checking here sa iba pang mga animals dito guys, like nakita namin yung mga dito monkey and some birds and some, I think that's eagle behind. So ayan, na-enjoy yung pamangkin ko and my sister and my mom. So ayan, and enjoy din yung bunso ko guys. This park is not too big. I don't know behind, but I think it's still improving. Marami na rin sila na ilagay na mga animals dito, and I hope na sooner is magkapagdagdag pa sila. And after there is here the butterfly sanctuary, and these butterflies is very amazing. They are very sweet, and nadapo sila sa mga tourist. Even ang anak ko and ako, mga kasamahan ko guys, is dinapuan itong butterfly ng mga butterfly na ito. And we take of course some remembrance here, para pag uwi namin is marami kaming memories to keep and to share. So dito guys, medyo mahihain pa yung bunso ko dyan. Nahihiya siya. And I think ito yung kanilang pinapaiklogan ng butterfly. And nauna na yung comment ko. Bumalik ako kasi parang hindi ako nasatisfied sa mga picture ko nakuha dito sa pythons. Kaya binalikan ko siya para masolo ko yung moment. Kasi kanina medyo busy. So ayan guys, napaka-friendly nito mga ahas dito, kahit mga kids hindi sila natatakot dahil pet talaga ito guys. And after from python sa aquatic park, dumiretso kami sa another spots, and ito yung enchanted park. Dito makikita yung tarsier. So, excited talaga kami. So here nga guys, first time ng mga bata na makakita ng tarsier, and nasa libro lang namin ito dati inaaral, nakikita, but now narating namin and they can witness these animals by their own eyes, ng mga kiddos ko, ng mga anak ko, and also ako. First time ko makita. So ito yung statue ng tarsier, guys. Ayan. So ayan na nga, the rules here is bawal ang camera and keep quiet dahil tulog yung mga tarsier. Pag daytime, tulog yan sila. So ayan, guys, maganda yung time na pagpunta namin kasi hindi too much crowded. Hindi siya crowded, hindi siya maraming tao, konti lang. So before ka makakapagkuha ng photo sa tarsier na yan is kailangan mo muna mag-line up para lahat mapagbigyan. Maliit lang talaga itong tarsier na ito, para lang siyang daga or kasing laki lang ng kamao or mas malaki pa yung kamao minsan. And next, guys, is we can see there, we can show you the rabbits, the kuneho. Ayan, iba't ibang uri ng kuneho, guys. Ayan, ako cute nila. Super cute. Ang gandang tingnan. Pakabait nila ngayon. So, ayan nga, guys. Ito yung enchanted park dito sa Bohol, which is you can find the tarsier. And we're heading now sa last stop namin, guys, which is the Chocolate Hills, the one of the most popular place here in Bohol, and also considering as the landmark of Bohol. And yes, guys, malapit na kami, and I tell you frankly, this place is very magical, especially there when you reach the top point. You can see the surrounding here. So this is the first step going to the top para makita mo yung whole view. And thanks to Kuya. Thankful talaga ako, guys, na siya ang aming kasama at napaka-accommodating nilang magkasama ng pinsan niya. So ayan na, guys, nagpicture-picture muna kami dito before kami aakyat dun sa pinaka-top point para may remembrance kami dito sa Chocolate Hills. And here, nandito na kami sa midpoint. As you can see down there, that's the one of the main view of Chocolate Hills. So guys, napaka-magical ng place na ito, and I promise myself to come back here again one day. And I'm very lucky dahil dumating kami ng family ko dito today na maganda yung panahon, because a few days sa travel namin from Iloilo to Bacolod and to Negros is bagyo talaga, guys. So I'm praying too hard na pagdating namin dito is maganda yung panahon. So thanks God dahil pinagbigyan yung hiling ko, dahil talagang gustong-gusto ko ma-enjoy yung day tour namin, yung aming countryside tour, dahil bukas is island hopping kami, guys. And you know, guys, at this moment talagang nafe-feel ko talaga yung napaka-unexplainable feeling of happiness deep inside my heart. Like, I can call it always as very magical feeling. Now once you get here, you really get fall in love to this place. Talagang na-in love talaga ako, I promise. And hindi ko ma-explain yung feeling na yun. Tinitingnan ko ito lagi sa social media, kahit saang platform na pwede ako makakuha ng information before kami pumunta dito, and magaganda talaga ang nasa photos and sa videos, but masasabi ko guys, ibang-iba ang feeling na makita mo siya in person by your eyes. Mafe-feel mo sa skin mo yung dampa ng hangin, yung dampi ng hangin. Talagang magical. So ito na guys, medyo hapon na, and we are catching for our schedule for the last stop after this is we're going to Sikatuna, Mirror of the World. So yan guys, time to leave this place now and heading to the next stop, which is the last stop, the Sikatuna, Mirror of the World. And after nyan is surely pagod ang mga kids, so tiisin na lang kasi one day lang ito. So yan nga guys, no, pag nature lover ka is my course talaga, dahil mai-in-love ka, babalikan mo, and iba yung happiness na naidulot sa iyo, sa puso mo. Tulad ko, grabe yung sayang na nararamdaman ko dito sa place na ito guys. That's why I love traveling. I love discovering every places, and sa bawat places na napupuntahan ko guys is kinikip ko yun, tinitreasured ko yun. Marami ka talagang ma-experience through travel like this. Yan na guys, dahil pagod na, so diretso na kami doon sa Sikatuna now. And please stay sa next part ng video ko is the Sikatuna World Adventure. So for now, bye guys.